again, no one offers an SUV, no one offers a life skills class, no one offers new cars. We offer a life skills class at no additional charge, and we're the cheaper by the bundle. I mean, our bundle pricing, and we don't nickel and dime you. We don't tell you to go pay for the $15 RMV certificate. And we're bringing in a master mechanic to teach you how to change a tire, how to put air in your tire. What do you do with check engine light? And we're bringing a local policeman in to talk about, what do's and don'ts when you get pulled over and how to act. We're going to bring someone in talking about buying, cars and financing cars. And key thing, transparent, and everything's bundled. And we offer a life skills class at no additional charge. So there's lots of good things to say about that.